Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Craig Miller, and today we're going to learn about getting payday loans and installment loans in the state of Texas. Now, you may be wondering exactly what a payday loan is or an installment loan, and this information can be found at my website, which kind of gives an outline of the two, but if you want to know more information on that, you can visit my website. Today we're going to focus on actually finding payday loans and installment loans in the state of Texas. So what I always like to do is start by going to Google um, and searching for payday loans, Texas. Now let's say we're looking for a payday loan. Speedy Cash is a popular website that you may have heard of before. And then Ace Cash Express is another one. And let's use this website for example. Now, Ace Cash Express has several locations in the Texas area, everything from Dallas to El Paso to Austin. You can see all the locations right here to the right of the screen. That's if you want to actually visit one of their brick and mortar stores, or you can just simply apply for a loan online. You can see the various online services that they offer, from payday loans to prepaid debit cards. They buy gold, they do title loans and auto insurance. But let's say we're interested in a short-term payday loan, which is generally 1 to 2 weeks. And this particular website is offering up to $1,500 for a loan. And basically the requirements are you of course have to have a source of income along with references, and you also want to one thing that really doesn't matter when it comes to an installment loan or a payday loan is credit. Most lenders know that a lot of the borrowers that they're dealing with have less than perfect credit, so they kind of don't really look too much into your credit. But anyhow, so what you do here is you click on the Get Cash Now link, and this is going to bring you to an application. It's going to ask you to choose your state, put in information such as your name, address, city, state, whether you rent or own. It's also going to want your email address, telephone number, driver's license number, date of birth, social security number. Another question here: if you're currently filing bankruptcy, this may impact your decision to allow you to get a loan. So you got to answer yes or no if you're currently filing for bankruptcy. And another important question here is whether or not you are an active duty member of the military or reserve. This can also impact their decision. A lot of times you can't get a payday loan due to this, due to being in the service. And then you'll have to put in if you want an ACH transfer to your bank, you put that in down here. If not, you click on the no, and then it will send it to your home address. But it says that you will pay more COS fees if you choose this option. So it's in your best interest to go with ACH for this. And basically you move forward with the application, and the way it works is your application is looked at, approved, then you're contacted by a representative from Ace Installment Loans, and they will guide you through the rest of the process as far as confirming information and talking about repayment and whatnot, and the interest rates and fees associated with such a loan. Now, one thing that I like about this particular website, some of these cash advance or installment loan websites offer guarantees, or money back, risk-free type things. Some of them do, some don't. A lot of the ones that do, they have a 24-hour guarantee. This particular website has a 48-hour guarantee. It's a satisfaction risk-free guarantee. So if you fill out a loan application and you decide, after you accept it, you decide a couple days later, hey, I really don't want to do this. You found a better deal somewhere else, or whatever the case may be, then you're able to back out of the loan with certain certain restrictions. So keep that in mind whenever you're filling out an application or you're in the process of obtaining a loan. Now, they have a frequently asked questions section here, and this kind of goes over some of the basics, and it talks about things such as how much you can borrow, which is $1,500. When will you receive your loan? Generally, this is 24 hours, depending on what time you initially fill out your application. There's a lot of other good questions in here. It says, if you paid off early, how does this affect my finance charges? It says, paying off early will reduce your CSO fee and the interest on your loan. Anyhow, so lots of good information here. You want to read through it and get an idea of what you're getting into before you sign on the dotted line. And for those who are not really crazy about filling out applications online, there is the store locator icon at the top right of the screen. You can click on that, and this will bring you to a page where you can actually choose. Let's say that we're in the state of Texas and we're looking for loans in Dallas. So come down in here and we click on Dallas and find store. And as you can see, there are actually 42 of these Ace Cash locations in the Dallas Fort Worth area. So you can kind of zoom out here. Here's Dallas, here's Fort Worth. This is more centralized to Dallas. You can go through them. We got the contact information, store hours, telephone number, and their address. And it also has these little green dots here indicating what type of service they offer, whether it's a payday loan or a title loan, auto insurance, cash checking, prepaid debit cards. So you just kind of go through them, find one that's nearby, and stop by and visit. You can actually speak with somebody face to face, and they can answer all your questions that you may have. So the process of getting a payday loan or an installment loan is pretty much the same. No matter what website you visit, you just have to compare each one, and before you make a decision, compare each one and make sure that you're getting the best possible fee, paying the least possible fees and the best possible interest rate on your loan. It's pretty much all there is to getting a personal loan in the state of Texas. So good luck, and have a good day.